So in today's video, I want to show you how you can add or remove Spotify widgets on your Samsung home screen. First of all, you will long press your home screen wallpaper like this. It will show you widgets here. Then you can search for Spotify here under the apps on your phone. This is Spotify. You can click on add. You can click on add widget like this. This Spotify widget on your home screen now. You can remove it by long pressing on it. When you long press it, it will show you remove. You can remove the Spotify widget on your home screen by just tapping on the remove button here. When you have the widget on your phone here, from here you can do whatever you want to do on Spotify without having to search through the app. You can play, you can pause, you can do anything, and then you can just remove it by long pressing it and then click on remove. That's how to go about that. If you found this video helpful, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification to get more updates from me. Thank you.